Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Butch from Imperial Collision. Welcome to Imperial TV. So we're gonna go ahead and take this vehicle to post up. We're gonna deliver it to a client of us. We fixed this vehicle about last week. Apparently the guy had a little incident. He popped 2 tires of his, trying to avoid hitting somebody else. Poor guy, but we fixed it for him. He's a happy camper. He's lucky that it wasn't that major, it's just minor. We're gonna go ahead and take the vehicle, collect, and keep the rhythm going. We have another vehicle to deliver, and then get back to the shop and kick some ass. So, shall we? Let's go ahead, let's get in the car. Hey, check this out. The Ferrari. Check out Ferrari putting gas for them. Cool stuff, huh? So I delivered that car. Customer was in a meeting, so I had to drop it off without a check. I trust him, so we're good. He's already given me a lot of business, paid me very well, so he's good for it. Well, the vehicle, what happened to it at the beginning, which is last month. It wasn't last month, it was way long before last month, right? What was it during? Hold on, let me see, let me remember. It was in January, right? Early January when the car came in. So back in January, the guy, I think he slipped. I think due to the freeze, I believe. No, it wasn't January, it was before. Oh my God. I'm trying to remember. I think it was in January, yeah. So back in January, the guy actually slipped and popped both tires and cracked the bumper cover. So we replaced the bumper cover, replaced the tires, replaced the wheels, aligned the vehicle, everything went back to 110%. The guy picks up the car again. Poor guy tried to avoid somebody probably, and then he ended up curb crashing the wheels again and popping both tires. Luckily it's not major like last time, so we just got that taken care of and we just delivered the car. Everybody's happy. Well, now we're gonna go pick up a Porsche from one of my clients' house and we're gonna drop it at the shop. We're doing exhaust delete to enhance the vehicle and make it sound better. So he's paying pretty good money on that one. I am a tall guy. Yeah, I can see that. I don't have to be black to be so tall. I can play basketball too. Yeah, it's your dream. Yeah. Tall people problem.
Let me take one. Oh, I don't do that one. Yeah. You're happy, Butch?
I am happy.
Yeah, I'm happy
I'm
because
very,
I know the high as a captain.
very happy.
Right, Butch? You're happy because I'm not.
Why are we listening to that kind of music?
Huh? Alright, Rosar, come here. That's it. Es una buenísima rola.
That's what happens on a Friday. You mean to go in it right now or put it down?
Yeah.
Oh, chingao.
Wait.
Huh? So you guys heard it. It sounded so lame at the beginning when we first brought it in. So now the truth comes out. Let's see how good this exhaust that we put in it and see what kind of action we're gonna get, what kind of sound we're gonna get out of it. Not bad. I like it. Well, that's it, guys. You guys witnessed the before and the after. I'm happy with the sound. I'm sure a customer would be happy too. It's Friday. It's about to be 6 o'clock. I'm out. Don't forget, subscribe to Imperial TV. See you guys. Ciao. Peace out. Have a safe weekend.